Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's Papa Bale. Welcome to the channel. So, I'm showing you here a drawing of the 1, 2, 3 circuit. And it's called that because there's one dot here, there's two dots here, and there's three dots here. And this is a transistor. Each dot is a connection. And you can see if you start here at the positive end of the battery, that connects to the collector. And then you got to connect the dots, basically. The first one connection on B goes to the trigger coil. It's over here. The negative of the trigger coil goes to the emitter. And when you're done, you'll have one connection here, two connections here, and three connections here. The light connects to the C and the E, the collector and the emitter. And if we just scoot this kind of right over here, there it is right there. You got your transistor, and you got the one connection here, two there, and then there's two down here and one up there. So three there. And if you have a trifilar coil, you can opt to do it twice, that's what I've done. I simply repeated the circuit for the second strand in the trifilar. And you just clip two clips to the trigger coil instead of one. Okay, so like each trigger strand has got two clips on it, one going to one circuit and one going to the other. But it's the same trigger. We're just using one trigger to fire both of them. So here, let me turn the juice up just a little bit. .69. So yeah, that's pounding quite hard. I'm sure the torque is up on that. Not too tremendously high at 1.5 volts, but so with both of the circuits hooked up, the amps, so you already got 100 milliamps at 1.7. Three volts. It's like your smallest, not your smallest, but a small battery, lithium ion battery, 400 milliamps. I want to get a bigger rotor up on this. So we can actually, because this one just looks to, it's cool and all, and it's balanced nice and it's good. The maglev on this one is pretty tight. Alright, let me get the tach and we'll see what the speed is here. So a little under 1,000 RPMs. Yeah, 3,500 divided by 4. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna swap the rotors up real quick. I'll be right back. There we go. That's pretty sweet. Look at that. It's awesome. We're that's 1.85 volts in and 200 milliamps. That's amazing, man. I love the dual drive. See, now what I could do is I could line up some smaller pickup coils, like this one, for example. This is 32 gauge. Just this coil alone could probably generate up to, I want to say 120 volts. This is 1.8 volts and 100 milliamps. This is freaking amazing. So you want low power, or I mean like low input, high, what do you want to call it, mechanical output? There it is. Awesome. All right, well, there's just like a few things you need to set this up. You need 2 transistors. You need to make those legs a little bit longer, have a little bit more room to clip. You need to clip the base to the first one. Your transistors have to be in this order for their pins. It's got to be BCE in order for the directions to make sense. But once you get the pattern down, you can flip them, flop them, whatever you want. Doesn't matter because you know where to put what. But, so, you know, you hook up your collector, the power to the collector, emitter to the coil, ground of the trigger to the emitter. And then, since each coil is parallel, there's a distribution. So the power goes to 2 places from this spot, and it goes to 2 grounds. Well, a common ground from this spot. I mean, just look at it go now. It's freaking just, it's amazing. I'm pretty sure that's got enough torque to bust through some lens. You know, I don't know, but like I said, if I put the smaller pickup coil up there, it'd probably work out just fine. Super cool. All right, for the close up, let's check out the relay. Oh my God, that's amazing. It's still in the same spot. That's so cool. And that is moving, just so you know, it's not just being idle. It's awesome. I'm glad I found this coil and hooked it up. I may have shown it earlier or before, but it's really cool. It's like 26 times 6 plus 30. Something like that. All right. Well, thank you very much. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe. Join up if you like this content. Peace out.